Hi there, here's Elizabeth Salkers. Today I want to share a bit about how healthcare organization communicate its impact in the lives of patients. Effective communication is essential, it's fundamental in any business, especially for healthcare organizations. In the healthcare space, the way that doctors, healthcare providers communicate with patients and across the healthcare system makes a huge difference, and it's really crucial. Good communication strategies can play an important role in nurturing positive experiences among patients. Language carries weight on how patients experience care, and the poor communication skills can have a devastating effect on their health. Patients have different stories about frustrating experience in the healthcare system because of due to poor communication with the healthcare providers or with the healthcare of the hospital, with the healthcare system in itself. For example, inconsistent and conflict communication from public officials and the healthcare providers during the COVID-19 pandemic just caused more confusion and mistrust of patients, and it caused for a higher mortality rate in the United States. Patient-provider communication is essential in the active participation of patients in their care. Unfortunately, our broken U.S. healthcare system still has a long way to. So how can healthcare organizations better communicate and build trust with their patients? Here are a few recommendations. Make health literacy a priority. There are patients with different levels, with low level of literacy that struggle to understand health information that's affecting their decision-making and affecting in their care. So it's important for healthcare organizations to make health literacy a priority within the organization. Use positive language. Share the positive outcome if a patient chooses a certain course of action. For example, if you recommend a patient to get vaccinated, share what are the benefits of get vaccinated, not in what would happen if you don't not scare them and what would happen if they don't get vaccinated. Humanize your organization. Make your organization more human. Share the stories of patients and staff members and how your organization is helping your local community thrive. People tend to trust more other people than institutions. Personalize the message to your audience. What does interest your audience? What concerns your community? More you learn about them, more you understand what they care about, better you can put together your message, better you can communicate and build trust and interact with them. Thanks for watching. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to subscribe my newsletter on LinkedIn, Health and Marketing Talk.